Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. About negative x, we can put into negative 4x plus 3x. Next, we can do about factorization by x. This one by number 3. Next, we have the second formula in here. So, number 9, that is about 3 to the power of 2. Now, we need to transform this one into this one. And this one that is about s minus number 3 multiplied by s plus number 3. So s minus number 4, s minus number 4, we can do about factorization. And now we need to simplify s plus number 3 on numerator and denominator. So we have s minus number 4 over s minus number 3. And now we can put negative number 3 going here and here. So we have the final answer. So we calculate this one and we have 7 over 6. This is the end. Thank you for watching.